Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from the Binance API directly into Google Sheets for free. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is install the API link Google Sheets add-on. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description. It was developed by us. You can just go to the page and install it there. Alternatively, you can do it directly from Google Sheets by opening up a sheet, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Then search up API link, go to this option and install it. After you have it installed, open up a sheet, then click Extensions, API link, and Start. After you've done that, you're going to be shown the sidebar here. And so what we're going to do is use the Binance API to get all this data. There's a few different options. Not just a few, there's a ton of options for different data that you can get from that API. In particular, just for simplicity for this video, I'm going to show getting the 24-hour ticker price change statistics for one ticker. So basically it's going to give us data like this, which will become a lot more clear once we actually get it into Google Sheets. But we're just going to be using the Binance API URL with this endpoint. So I'm going to leave the link to this in the description, to link to the endpoint, so you can just copy and paste it. But it's going to be this if you want to just write it in, or check the description and you can just copy and paste it. And so we're going to be using API link for this. So go back to Google Sheets and then in the sidebar click new, then enter a name. So I'm just going to call it Binance. You can leave the option as get. Then for the API URL, paste that in. No headers are needed. Clear sheets on run. If you want all the data in the sheet to be removed when you run it, have this enabled. Or if you want to have like other stuff such as formulas elsewhere, then you can disable this. For our case, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to leave it the default, which is enabled. Then select the sheet you want the data to go in for. I only have one sheet, so I'm just going to leave it as default. And we're done. Oh, also, I should just mention, if you're wanting to use other pairs, we're using Bitcoin to USDT. There are a bunch of other different options, obviously, Bitcoin to BNB, Bitcoin to ETH, and all the different options that Binance has. So you can just change that there, but we're just going to leave it as Bitcoin USDT, and then click create. And so this is going to create the request here, and now I can click run. And if we look over here, it should insert all the data into our spreadsheet, as you can see. So we have the symbol, the price change per percent. Then we have the weighted average price, which is probably what is most important to the people that are using this endpoint. But yeah, a bunch of different data points that can help you with crypto in a number of ways. So I really hope this video was helpful. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description to API link and then the endpoint that we're using. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one.